Patrick Marleau back the other way. Oh, he gets hit hard by DeBrusk. Wiped out right at the Bruin bench.
And that'll be the end of Kadri there. It's the hit was not called on Marleau, but it was a reaction of Kadri that drew the arm up of Brad Meyer immediately. And Chara's going over to check on him. A reactionary play as Marleau went down, but you got another injured Bruin. Is that Grizzly? Good. He's gone. Brad Meyer's kicking Kadri right out. Oh, it's DeBrusk.
DeBrusk made the hit on Marleau, and Kadri went right after him.
Boy, those two have just been at it tooth and nail. Here's the hard hit right in the curve part there as Marleau goes down. Marleau popped right back up. He was okay, but it was the reaction of Nazem Kadri seeing this hit, seeing 74, and oh, he went right at him. Cross-check right to the face, and he's gone.
This is way too similar to what happened late in Game 1 last season when Kadri got incensed, hit Tommy Wingels, and got a suspension. I don't think this one is as serious, but he's just as angry as he was then.